Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to see the first photo you ever liked on Instagram. So first of all, open your Insta application and tap on your profile icon to the bottom right corner. Tap on the three-line icon to the top right corner. Tap on your activity, interactions, likes, sort and filter, sort by, and select oldest to newest. Tap on apply, and the first photo is my first ever liked on Instagram. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.